Guys, sorry about that. I thought it was not recording, but it actually was. Alright, so here's what my slime looks like so far. It's stretchy. I mean, I think I need a little bit of time. I don't know, because, like, I can't even hide pennies in here. Like, they literally look like pennies. I could grab a penny right now. Alright, it literally, guys, look, it literally looks like a penny. I don't know how I made that color. Alright, I'm gonna hide it and see if you guys can find it. It's somewhere in this area. I could feel it. Oh, there's a clue, Alright, you guys have to try to find it. Alright. So I'm trying to find it right now, and I see it. And I'm trying to get it out of the slime. There. This is the penny. Put it back. There. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thanks for watching. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. This is like mini slime. Alright. Bye, guys. Subscribe.